everyone, welcome to the IBO Toolbox training webinar. I'm Chris Karafotis. I'm going to
The
be your host for
broadcast
the
is now
webinar.
starting. All
For those of
attendees
you
are
that are
in
new to
listen-only
IBO,
mode.
I want to welcome you to our community. Whether you're just getting started with IBO Toolbox or you're a veteran member, training is critical to your success. Over the next 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to be going over information on how to utilize all these amazing tools and resources that you have at your fingertips. And I know this platform might seem a little overwhelming at first, but I promise you that if you just continue to come to the webinars and get the training you need, you will succeed here at IBO Toolbox and your chosen business. So if this is the first time that you're attending an IBO Toolbox training webinar, what I'm going to cover is an introduction to IBO Toolbox. I'm going to go over the basics, show you how to get started with IBO, show you how to get help or assistance. I'm also going to show you where you can go to get extended training on IBO Toolbox and its family of websites. And at the end of the webinar, I'm going to wrap it up and issue you a credit coupon code worth 400 IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising on the platform. And that's really why we're all here, right? We want to get that extra exposure for our business. And I got to tell you guys, you're in the absolute right place at the right time, because there is no better marketing platform than IBO Toolbox. So if you're new to IBO, if you're new to internet marketing and you're probably feeling like this is just a lot of information, don't feel bad. You are not alone. And I know I've been there too. So just take in a little bit of this at a time. I've got this webinar up to record. I'm going to take you over to marketwithchris.com to show you where you can get training at your own pace that works for you. And also, too, if there are any questions about the platform or any of the IBO family of websites, go ahead and enter that into the chat area. Or if there's something specific that you want me to train on, I would be more than happy to do that. You just need to let me know what you want to learn. Okay, so again, just enter that into the chat area. All right, so let's start this off. It's been a really exciting week for me. I'm super duper excited. I launched a new website, and things have just been crazy for me, but it's all good. So anyways, what I want to do first is I want to take you over to marketwithchris.com. That's where you can get the extended training. So to get there, you simply just click on Get Training, which is under Site Navigation here. So we're going to click on Get Training. And at marketwithchris.com, you're going to find 42 IBO Toolbox lessons, which includes the family websites, and then we've got 5 rebrandable traffic lessons. So I've got a welcome video. You register for free. New members get introduced to marketwithchris.com just so that they can start their training right away and get off to a fast start. Now, the training that's on Market with Chris is training that's up to date, and you can't get it anywhere else. So you definitely want to register and get access to this training. Plus, for each lesson that you take, you are going to earn IBO credits that you can use to redeem for advertising your business on IBO Toolbox and its family of websites. So if you scroll down, I got all kinds of information on here, but if you scroll down to preview what's inside, you're going to, the first lessons or the course that's listed as IBO Toolbox. So as you can see, we've got the intro, we've got setting up your IBO social profile page, which is really your public storefront, how to add business links, social networks, completing your profile, etc. We've got IBO Toolbox, the basics. This is going to introduce you to the on-track feature. It's also going to teach you basics such as posting on the wall, commenting on a wall post, associating, sending messages to your associates, and some other things, accepting invitations to associate. The Credit Center, everything you wanted to know about the Credit Center, how to redeem credit coupon codes such as the one that I am going to give you at the end of this webinar. Now, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to redeem that here at the end so that you know. But if you need a reference, it's lesson 23 here at Market with Chris. How to convert credit Credits. All ads at IBO run from credits converted to impressions. So it's really important that you know how to do that, how you can earn free credits, and also how you can purchase credits for those of you that are serious about your business. You want to put some extra oof behind it and get some more advertising out there. You definitely want to know how to purchase credits. IBO Toolbox advertising, there are two kinds of ads that you can run on IBO. We've got your listing ad and we've got your banner advertising. So you want to know how to get those set up and running. We've got IBO Toolbox promotional links and graphics. You definitely want to refer to other members to IBO Toolbox because first of all, you can earn commissions when your referrals purchase credits. You earn a commission. Okay, so you definitely want to do that. Also too, you know, in this world that we live in the internet marketing, the World Wide Web, we as marketers are constantly trying to grow our business. So we're promoting our business to other marketers, right? Well, how refreshful is it, or refreshful, that's not even a word. Anyways, how refreshing is it if you are offering something of value, such as IBO Toolbox, to help other marketers and giving, you know, quality information to them? That's going to really get them to know, like, and trust you. And then business takes its natural course and it's done, it flows naturally. So, you know, definitely get your team here, get anybody that you come into contact with, because your business may or may not be right for somebody else. And in this, you know, skepticism that we live in, people want to really get to know who they're doing business with. So IBO Toolbox allows you, or it gives us, an environment to build those business relationships. So that is key to our growth and success. So we've got the referral links and graphics, banners, splash pages, all kinds of things. IBO Toolbox apps, we've got creating press release, IBO URL and .NET alias. How to use the IBO mobile. Do you know that you can take IBO on the go with you? So if you go on vacation, or if you're running your kids around or running errands or whatever, and you want to check to see if your ads are still running, or you need to convert more credits to impressions, you can do that on the go with IBO Mobile. So it's pretty cool. SMS lookup tool, and then we've got a third-party app which is called the Response Magic Autoresponder. We've got the other family of websites such as IBO Extra, IBO Banners, IBO Exchange, IBO Gigs, IBO List, and we've got rebrandable traffic, which is up here. Okay, so definitely take advantage of this. For each video lesson that you watch, you're going to earn 50 IBO credits. Okay, and you can even come back and take a refresher course, because you know things do change. There's, you know, new tools and resources that the development team is constantly doing. So I'm over here, you know, doing these lessons for you guys to learn, get some extra credits, and just want to make sure that you're as successful as you possibly can be. And one of the ways that you can be successful is to understand how this platform works, because we want you, or I want you, and I know that IBO Toolbox feels the same way, wants you to have the upper hand with your competition. So take advantage of Market with Chris, take the lessons, get the credits, get extra exposure, and just get off to a fast start. Okay, so the other thing that I wanted to tell you is we've got a help desk. So if you're having some sort of technical issue or something like that, you can definitely get over there and submit a ticket. It's usually me that answers the tickets. But, you know, again, they're usually referring the members to either Market with Chris or the FAQs to get the help that you need. Okay, so simple stuff, you just need to know where to look for it. Okay, we don't want to make things complicated here. I want you to focus on building your business, making money, and being successful. Okay, so let's see if there's any questions or anything yet. All right, so Yes, this webinar is recorded. Okay, so, all right. So I usually don't answer questions outside of IBOtoolbox, but I know there's a big buzz right now with the site that I just launched, and so I'll go ahead and answer these few questions. Okay, so my site is called chrisclicks.com. The first question is, do you have a banner exchange code for publishers? Nope, it's not a banner exchange. It's not a traffic exchange. You don't have to click anything. You don't have to put your banner anywhere. You simply upload a banner and that gets sent out to our partners. Here, I'm just going to go here for you. Okay, so this is chrisclicks.com. And I don't want to spend too much time with this because this is an IBOtoolbox training webinar, so we definitely want to cover that information too as well. But basically, our partners are, some of our advertising partners are down here listed. Okay, so you're going to upload an ad to a banner ad in your back office here once you register and log in. Okay, it's free to register. You purchase credits, kind of like IBOtoolbox. Those credits are going to give you visitors or clicks. Every time someone clicks on your banner, they're going to be taken to your website. Okay, so it's kind of a little different twist on a traffic platform. Okay, so they're going to, that visitor, that's your banner is shown on all of our ad partners, and you can choose, you know, where it's shown, the different types of platforms that it's shown on and so forth. Your banner ad is shown, so you're not going to see that banner ad, okay, because it's going to be out there on the internet somewhere, and every time somebody clicks on that banner ad, they're taken to your website. You can track your visitors as far as how long they're on your site, where they go on your site, and all of that through your back office. So it's got full tracking. So you don't have to take any sort of code and put it on your website. This is not a banner exchange or a traffic exchange, okay? You don't have to view ads, nothing like that, okay? This is really simple, really powerful platform, okay? You can refer others to ChrisClicks and earn affiliate commissions. I'll pay out 25% every time your referral purchases credits. Okay, so you can build your team, and you can also build your list because you get that person's information. So you get their name and their email address. So you can also use this platform to build your list. Okay, so hopefully that answers that question. Do you have a specific size requirements for advertising? Okay, so you can use pretty much everything there. If you go to the FAQs, I've started some FAQs here. What size banners do you accept? You know, and we'll definitely, those 125 by 125, we'll accept those. Pretty much. I mean, you know, anything but obviously a big splash page or something like that is not going to work. So pretty much the standard size. All right, so again, there's I've got some FAQs here, and I'm going to keep adding and adding those in. I'm also going to do some email ads for you to refer, so you can use those on safe lists, and some splash pages. So we've got banners in the referral and earning section. Okay. Yes, that's fine. As far as ads. You just have to realize that if you start putting some 600 by 300, that's a little bit big. Just think of it this way. These advertisers are going to probably pull the most popular sizes first before they pull those really large ones. So I would really concentrate on those. I'm not saying that, you know, you can track and see how well those ads are performing, but you might want to change it up a little bit. Let's see. Yes. Webinar is recorded for sharing later. I'll have it up on IBO's YouTube channel. Online marketing training, I've tried to click on those and they don't play. Thoughts on why that might be. Okay, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Java downloaded on your computer. I would clear your cache. They should play for you. That's usually the issue. I'm not getting anybody else with that issue. So check your make sure everything's up to date, your updates and all of that, and that you have the latest version of JavaScript. Or not JavaScript, Java. Yes, if you haven't been on IBO in over a year or a few months, you need a refresher course, absolutely get over to Market with Chris and retake the courses. And yes, you will still get credits. Is there more extensive training for step 5 in setting up your profile page? Wait, is there more training, more extensive training for step 5 in setting up your profile? Okay, so basically what you can do for your profile is you can put in, let's just go there now. We're going to go to Edit Profile. This is really going to be your front page, okay? So it's going to be this area right here. All right, so you've got two, let me go here, step 5, oh, down here. Okay, so you've got two editors. You've got the design editor, which is what you're looking at now. You can put in videos, or I'm sorry, images, videos, and so forth. And you can put in text, make it clickable. So this is a pretty simple editor to use. Or if you know HTML, you can do that, okay? But as far as training on the HTML or anything like that, or designing anything, no, there's no training on that. Just basically, I mean, it's pretty simple. I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to get at, but if I wanted to add a video, let's say up here, I would just simply click on the video, insert video, and it's going to ask me to paste in the YouTube or Vimeo video embed code inside the box below. And then once you do that, click OK, your video shows up there. Okay, so if I wanted to, let me go to, let's see here, videos. I'll show you one real quick here. Okay, so if I go over to YouTube and scroll down here to, I think it's under share, embed, yeah. So if I copy that, Control C, I bring it back over to this. I'm going to put it in here, paste it here, say OK, and there's your video. Okay, so pretty simple stuff. And I want to take that out of there. Stop. Figure out. Anyways, I'm not going to save it, so it doesn't really matter. Images, simply go to the image tab, put in the image icon, put in the URL, address, and the other stuff here, and click OK to make it clickable. You can just highlight the box and then link up here. This one's already, this one. Okay, insert a link there. All right, so pretty simple stuff to use. Okay, hopefully that answered your question. Do I have to own a blog to promote IBOtoolbox and my business? No, you don't have to own a blog. You can promote your business on IBOtoolbox. There's an edit your profile. You can add your businesses, which is step 3. You can add links to your blog. You can do press releases, which are really basically a business blogs here at IBO. So no, you don't have to own a blog to promote IBOtoolbox. Oh, as your business. No, 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 no. You just have to have somewhere to advertise IBO through the banners and the links and so forth that you get under referral links. So like for instance, if you wanted to throw a banner for IBOtoolbox up at Chris Clicks to get visitors over to IBO, you definitely could do that. Okay, you could do traffic exchanges, you could do banner exchanges, all of that sort of thing. Advertise on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, you name it. Can you use the same credits from IBO and Chris Clicks? Nope. Two different platforms. IBO is owned by IBO. Chris Clicks is owned by Chris Clicks, or by me. No. Two different things. Are we paying for views or clicks with Chris Clicks? Every time they click, one credit is deducted when someone clicks on your banner, which takes them to your website. So you're paying for clicks, which is really a visitor. So however you want to look at it. Okay, yep. So IBO URL, something like ClickMagick. You can't track. You can see how many visitors you get as far as that goes, but I think ClickMagick is more of a tracking feature. The thing with an IBO URL, let me get to one of these here. Let me just create one real quick because I haven't created one. Let's call it Chris Clicks. So for those of you that weren't sure where I went under IBO apps and the IBO URL, and the website is chrisclicks.com, page title. And then some keywords. Let's see. Website clicks. Okay. And we'll go ahead and do auto show none, top menu bar, and then we'll save it. Okay, and then it should be down here. Did it not save? Oh, I bet I didn't hit save and I just clicked out of the box. Okay, save. All right. Okay, so here is the IBO URL, and as you can see, it will count how many hits you've gotten to your IBO URL. So you can reset that, but it's not going to give you an idea. You can't track where they go or anything like that. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question. You can also go and add a .NET alias. So I'm going to put Chris Clicks on here and save it. Okay, so if I click here, it's going to go to my site and it's going to put this menu bar up on top here. So the reason why it can't track is because this menu bar also too is going to give them some links to your IBO social profile page, your videos, your press releases. They can also chat live with you if you're online. They can learn more, and they can also go to your other social networks. So that was kind of the long answer for that. Oh, you wanted to know more about it, so I told you more about it. All right. What is Chris Clicks? It's a brand new twist in traffic platform. So basically, you're going to run banner ads not on Chris Clicks, but your this must have been banner ads will run on these partner websites and throughout the internet. These are our advertising partners. So they've got websites that they've contracted with that your banners will run on, and you can choose what types of websites you want your banners on. So when somebody clicks on your banner, they go to your website. Okay, so basically that's what it is. You can also earn referral commissions. You register for free. You purchase credits to run your banner ads. One click or one credit gets you one click on your banner. So every time somebody clicks on your banner, one credit is deducted. And there's a lot more here. There's features, earn money, etc. So take a look at this. I've got FAQs over here. And yeah, so you can find out more about this. Okay? All right. Okay, perfect. So what I want to do now is I want to go through the rest of setting up your profile. Okay, because I think we've got all of these questions done. All right, so again, to edit your profile, you go to Edit Profile under Site Navigation, okay? And don't be afraid to click on all of these to find out what's behind here. So we're going to go to Edit Profile, and step 1 through 3 is basic required information. So at the minimum, you need to complete steps 1 through 3. Okay, once you do that, you're going to earn your 500 advertising credits, and you also really want to consider completing all 9 steps. And I'll show you why when we get over to your profile so that you can see how it all comes together. Remember that your profile is your public storefront, so you want to be set up and ready to do business. So this is why it's so important to get your profile set up right away when you first get started with IBO. So step 1 is required basic information: your name, your geographic location, your phone and Skype ID if that's how you want to be contacted. Your email is always kept private. IBO needed that to confirm your account or activate your account. Your PayPal email, you want to put that in so that you can get paid commissions when you refer and your referrals purchase credits. You want to put in your rebrandable traffic username, your IBO extra user ID number, IBO tube channel URL, and IBO gig store username. Click Save. Step 2 is a profile image. Please use a picture of yourself, not a logo or product image. You want to start branding yourself on the internet, okay? The best way to do that is to show your smiling face. If you put a picture of a logo or a product image, people are not going to recognize you on those other social networks. And so you really want people to get to know, like, and trust you and know who they're doing business with. It's going to get you successful quicker and get you a lot more successful than if you didn't use a real picture. Okay. Step 3 is business information. This is where you add your information. Okay, and I need to add Chris Clicks here. Okay, so if I just do that, I'm going to go ahead and we'll do this really quickly. Chris Clicks. Okay, and I'm going to put that in this one here. Okay, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make this really simple here. this in here, copy it, go over here. Okay, save it. All right, so when we go over there, you'll see what it looks like. I'll show you. If anytime you want to edit, click on the notepad, or delete, click on the red X. Okay, so you just basically enter in your information here, click on save, and then that's 1 through 3. If you want to stop there, that's fine. Just make sure that you return to the dashboard so that those advertising credits come to you. If you close the tab or log out, you won't get your referral or advertising credits until you log back in. Okay, step 4 is adding a contributor badge simply by purchasing credits or by becoming part of Club IBO. It shows others that you're serious about your business enough to put a little bit of money behind it. Minimum credit purchase is only $10. I believe there's still a flash sale going on, so right now is the time to purchase credits. Makes you stand out. You earn double credits for being a contributor for certain activities. You can visit the Credit Center to learn more. Step 5 is customizing your IBO social profile page. I already went over that. Step 6 is adding business links, backlinks. I definitely want to add Chris Clicks here. So the link name is going to be Chris Clicks and the URL. And I could just put cost-effective ads or something like that. I could put anything in the link name. I'm just going to put Chris Clicks, and I'm going to put in the website link. And click on save, and then it shows up here, and I'll show you where it shows up on your profile. Step 7 is adding your other social networks. Choose from the drop-down menu and put in the appropriate link here. Step 8 is where you add videos to your profile. You want to give your video a title, the YouTube URL, more info link, and a few video keywords, and click on save. At any time you can edit or delete. And finally, we have step 9, which is monetizing your IBO social profile page with Google AdSense. Your ad must be sized 160 by 600. You have to create an ad unit within Google AdSense. You must be approved by Google to run AdSense, okay? And your IBO social profile page is a page that you really don't own yourself, so you have to have a blog or something like that just to get approved. Once you're approved, you can run your Google AdSense on your IBO social profile page. So you're going to create that 160 by 600 ad unit. You're going to copy the script, paste it into the box here. You're going to comply with the terms and conditions, and then you're going to click save. So now your profile is completely done. So we are going to go home here. Oh, let me show you how to get there. Duh. All right, so we're going to scroll up. We're going to click on this link here where it says My IBO Social Profile Page. And we've got our picture, our name, our stars and badges are shown. Our geographic location, likes received, how many times we've been featured member of the day, associates, number of associates we have, wall posts, comments made, press releases, video. If you wanted your phone and Skype ID, it would be right here. Profile visitor stats, daily, monthly, and total. This is automatically displayed. So are these stats too as well. IBOtoolbox Associator widget is right here. It's automatically displayed here. It's a clever widget. It knows that this is my account. If you go to someone else's account and you're not associated, it will tell you that you're not associated with them, and you can click on it to send them a request. You've got your 10 most recent press releases here, your business links, which was step number 6. These are the business links, backlinks. Remember, we just created one for Chris Clicks. Recent videos that you've posted, member advertising. This is your AdSense or Leads Leap or whatever you want to put here. Your associates, your active associates that have just logged on and are actively participating here in the platform. You've got your other platforms, which is under step 1, widgets to each one to show off your activity on these platforms. And then you scroll up, You've got your other social network buttons, which was step 7. You've got your Facebook comments that are here. You've got your customization area here. Again, graphics. You actually have an order form here that people can access if they want to purchase a custom design or a custom banner design service from me. Then we've got the menu bar here. Home is where we're at now. Social wall, everything that you post, your wall posts, your comments, etc. will show up over here, as well as comments to other posts, your posts. It's all about you here. My businesses, this was step 3 of setting up your business. Remember, we did Chris Clicks here. This is how it shows up. So very professional listing of your businesses that you have here. Press releases, all of your press releases searchable through title. Videos, the same thing, videos searchable through title. Learn more, anyone that fills out their information here becomes a lead for you, which is housed under the My Leads section here at IBO. And search. Every member has their own branded search engine. You can either give out your link up here, or as you have visitors and they type in anything in here to the box, it's going to render all your results. So it's going to be your specific results. So we've got the Google related ads. I put in press releases. It's going to show up all of my press releases. Okay, so that's how it's seen on your public storefront. Okay, so and if you go to somebody's IBO social profile page and you want to share it with your other social networks, you just simply click on the buttons up here. Okay, so hopefully you're starting to see how powerful this platform is and what it can do for your business. So let's go over to the Credit Center and I will give you your credit code and you guys can go on and get busy promoting your business and networking. Okay, so we're going to go back to IBOtoolbox. We're going to click on Credit Center. We're going to click on Redeem Coupon. Okay, so you need to follow the instructions here. So this is the credit code redeemer box that popped up to redeem your coupon. But it's really important that you follow the instructions. In order to unlock the redemption tool and redeem your credits, please click and visit ads located on at least one of the following links. Okay, before we do that, if you try to say, well, I've been clicking on stuff all day and check this box, it won't let you. Okay, so if you close this out and let's say we go to, I'm going to go here, go to the main hub, and I click here, let's say I go there. And let's go to one other place. Let's go to the newsletter. And I click here. Okay. And then I come back and I try and redeem it. And I'm thinking, well, I did click on some ads. You guys were my witnesses, right? And I try and check this. It won't let me because I did not click on one of these links. So we're going to click on the help desk, which is the middle link here. And we'll go ahead and click on that ad. And we're going to click on IBOtoolbox and see it opens it up as a new window. So we'll go ahead and click here. Okay, so now when we go back, watch what happens. It allows me to check that box. Okay, so really important that you follow the instructions. There's a refresher course, or if there's that lesson over at Market with Chris, lesson 23, that will walk you through what I just showed you if you forget. Now it's important that you redeem this credit coupon code right away because it is time sensitive. So today's credit coupon code is IBO Extreme. IBO Extreme, one word, click redeem coupon, accepted, 400 credits were added. Thank you guys for coming to the webinar, taking time out of your busy schedule to find out how this platform works. It's so important, and I am so thankful that you guys came. I really appreciate you. I'm going to have a link up for next Wednesday's webinar so that you can go and register, and again, I'll have this one up for recording. So you guys have a great Wednesday. Go IBO.